everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. I'm feeling very organised because it's actually, what time is it? 8:05 in the morning, so I'm filming this before I have to do the school run, so let's get on with it. But yeah, I went to Home Bargains the other day. I actually found quite a few bits that I thought I could share with you because I didn't go in there intending to do a haul. I just was going to pick up a few bits, but as I was walking around I saw quite a few nice things that I liked, so let's just get into it. I've got a bag of stuff here and some other bits all over the table. So to start with, I picked up loads of marshmallows. So I picked up 3 packets of marshmallows. If you remember last week in my home sense video, I bought like a big trick or treats kind of jar and I wanted to fill it with white marshmallows. I couldn't find any Halloween themed marshmallows, so I just went for the white ones because I thought they would look cool. So I've got 3 packs because I didn't know how many I'd need to kind of fill it up. I think they were around 59p each, something like that. I also picked up 2 of these buckets for the boys for Halloween trick-or-treating because last year I didn't think about it and then I didn't end up getting them one. I had to go buy like this sweet bucket and that was the only thing I could find. So I got these to be super prepared this year. I think these were 89p, so really cheap and yeah, perfect for the boys. So I'm being prepared this year. I do need to get their Halloween costumes early as well because last year Vinny didn't know that he wanted to go like trick-or-treating literally until the day, so I had to like run to B&M and like there was no outfits anywhere. So make sure if you're going trick-or-treating with your kids this year, get things early. That's what I'm going to do. I also picked up some like craft supplies. Now this might sound a bit random, I really do like crafting. I don't do it very often, but I thought if I've got all my craft supplies like with me, if I'm feeling a little bit creative, then I've got things to kind of play around with. So I actually got these from the wedding section in Home Bargains. So I've got these beautiful like pearl beads, which I thought were really gorgeous. And they've got this kind of autumnal kind of vibe. These have got that kind of rose gold, kind of warm feeling to them, which is really pretty. And again, these are kind of like a grey kind of pearl, which I just thought was so pretty and perfect for any kind of DIYs. I also picked these up, which are just self-adhesive pearls. Again, in that kind of coppery rose gold colour, which are perfect for autumn. I also picked up some scatter crystals. So these are all, I can't remember the price of them, which is really annoying because I threw the receipt away. I always do that, I'm so sorry. But they were really cheap. These are probably about 99p, something like that. And these wouldn't have been more than £1.50. These scatter crystals, I remember, I think they were £1.99 and they're literally crystals. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I just thought they were really pretty. Again, for DIYs, I picked this up and it's decorative ribbon and it's just all like diamante ribbons. I picked up 3 of these and I thought these would be really good for DIYs. I won't tell you what I'll do with them because maybe I'll do a video on that if you'd like to see a DIY video. Quite fancy doing one of them. I bought like a glue gun not that long ago and I still haven't used it yet, so I would love to use that and create some lovely DIYs for you. And then when I was looking at like the candle section, right at the bottom shelf I saw these and they're scented wardrobe sachets and they've got like a little hanger so you can hang them up, and they had 4 or 5 different scents. They had like rose, vanilla. I picked up the lavender ones. They were only 59p and literally you just hang them up in your wardrobe. So I thought they were really good. For 59p, I thought you can't really go wrong. And I just thought they looked really cute and they smelled really lovely. So perfect to put in your wardrobe or in your drawers just to make them smell really nice and fresh. Oh, from the like wedding section again, I picked up this beautiful binding. It's called 3 meter length approximately, and it's just this kind of like Hessian, is it Hessian or something like that. Again, I just got that for DIYs. I think it was around 99p, but thought I'd pick that up. There are the other 2 of the kind of sparkly ribbon. They're 2 meters long, I think I mentioned that before. And then I popped to the cleaning section because why wouldn't you go to the cleaning section when you're in Home Bargains? I picked this up because obviously I've been hinged like everybody else. I got these fresh duck strips and they're in the scent pine, so you literally just pop them into your toilet. Smell really lovely. I haven't actually tried like the pine scent or pine fragrance, so it will be interesting to see how they work, and they last up to 4 weeks apparently, so that's cool. Again, I'm not entirely sure of the price of those. I think they were like £1 to £2. I bought Cif, which was, I think this was 99p because it's only the smaller one. And this is a Cif cream with micro crystals, and I got this in the pink flowers scent. I've kind of like discovered Cif recently. I've had it for so long. I've had it in my cleaning cupboard for ages because my mum brought it round one day when she was doing some cleaning stuff, and I was using it, you know, cleaning the bathrooms and bits. But Cif is actually really good for so many things, so I've just wanted to get some more because I want to use it for other things as well. So yeah, absolutely love Cif cream. My friend Ash used this on her daughter's trainers the other day, her like white trainers. Like she had like pretty pink trainers, but all of the white bit were like really stained, and she used Cif on the white bit of the trainers and it just got all of the marks off and it looked really great. I also used this on my mirror in my bathroom the other day, and the base of the mirror had gone a little bit rusty and really dusty, so I just thought I was never going to get it cleaned. I just thought it was maybe because of the water in the bathroom, but it was shining after I used this. So yeah, I'm really impressed with Cif. Had to get one of them. I also picked up some Astonish mold and mildew blaster. Haven't actually tried this before, but like I've said in previous videos, I'm really impressed by the Astonish brand, so I wanted to give this a little try, use it on my windows and in the bathroom where needed. I couldn't find any of the fabric stain remover in there, the Astonish one, because I'm actually running out of that, so that's why I picked this one up instead, just so I've got something else Astonish. I picked this up because my friend Carly's got one similar to this, and she uses it on her stairs, like in between the banisters. I just thought it'd be really good for dusting, and you can take it off as well to wash it. This was only, I think this was 99p, just a hand duster. What else did I get? I also got this actually, which I thought was an absolute bargain, this mirror. This was only £3.99, guys. £3.99, and now I thought you could either use this as a mirror or you could use it as a tray to like put your candles on, put a nice vase on. If you've seen my kitchen before, then you'll remember that I've got two mirrored like trays, and I got those from TK Maxx, and everyone always asks me where I got them from. They're from TK Maxx. You could probably get them in HomeSense as well, but no one can ever find them. But I just thought this was such a great dupe and a great alternative, so for £3.99 I just had to show you this. So absolutely love that, so cheap. And then the last things I actually bought, I went into Pound Stretcher. I just bought a couple of things from Pound Stretcher because it was next to Home Bargains. So I picked up a Neil. Again, if you're part of the Hinch Army, you'll know what this is, but basically I'm just going to use this to kneel on when I'm cleaning my bathroom floors and things like that. So absolutely thrilled when I saw this because I've been looking for it for ages and had loads of different colours. I think it was only like 99p, so very happy I got this. I also picked this up for my mum. It's Zaflora, the Fresh Home Odour and Remover and Disinfectant in Mountain Air fragrance, and this is like a pet one. So I picked this up for my mum because she's got a little dog, and she messaged me saying, oh, have you seen that new Zaflora? I was like, Mum, yeah, I've seen it ages ago because it's been out for a little while, but I bought it for her because she really wanted to give it a try, and it smells lovely. Kind of reminds me of like fabric softener, maybe. Bit stronger than fabric softener, but it's really nice. Someone did message me as well to say that they've got kind of a spray version of this. I'm not sure whether it's a disinfectant or if it's just a fragrance, I don't know, but there's another part to this range apparently. But I saw this in Pound Stretcher and it was £3.99, so I picked this one up because it's a 500ml, I think. And that was all I got. I got some Dime bars at the checkout because they always suck you in, don't they, at the checkout. So I got that. And that is everything I bought from Home Bargains, and then those couple of bits from Pound Stretcher as well. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you liked best in this haul, because I think it was quite a good mix actually. Usually I just buy cleaning products and food, but today we've got a few little crafty bits in there, a couple of home bits. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!